Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add Instagram story with music, and now let's dive right in. Now to add Instagram story with music, first open up your Instagram app, and in order to proceed from over here, let's make a story on Instagram. To do that, tap on the plus button at the bottom middle of the screen, and let's go to the story option available for us at the bottom of the screen. Guys, you can see there is a read option. Now if you slide it to the right, we will be on the story. Now in order to share Instagram story with the music, let's take a photo. I'll be just taking a photo of my keyboard. You can upload it, or you can take a picture of you, whichever you like. And after that, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the music icon available for us. Tap on it, and from over here you will be able to choose your music or a source for your music. Let's say I'll be just going for a music called Sound of Silence, and let's add this. And over here guys, you will be able to choose the music or the portion of the music which you want to add with your story. And after doing that guys, you can see you can choose to show the music. And after choosing the portion of the music guys, you can customize a lot of ways. For example, you can sing along with your avatar. You can choose the color of your music, and after that, after doing all of these, the portion of the music will be added on your Instagram story. The moment you tap on done, the music will be on your Instagram story, and after you post it and the moment you share it, your Instagram story will be shared with music guys. And there guys, this is how to share Instagram story with music. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.